Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. Mr. Anderson here. Today, your con for today is called proportional relationships. I believe this is a 7 question one. So I'm only going to do one con today. We'll do two tomorrow. Um, on this one, so Jack popped some popcorn, but 3 of the 150 kernels did not pop. So I'm reading it right up here if you don't know. Determine whether or not each popcorn snack below is the same ratio of unpopped to total kernels as Jack's popcorn. So if we take, you can take it either way. You could take 3 divided by 150, or you could take 150 divided by 3. It doesn't matter which way you do. I think 150 divided by 3 turns out nicely because 150 divided by 3 is 50. And so then I just need to know which one where the bigger number divided by the smaller number equals 50. Pretty simple. Well, so this one, 75 divided by 2, that turns out to be like 37.5. That doesn't work. So that would be a no. This one, 200 divided by 4, that equals 50. That one works. And 50 divided by 1, well, that's pretty simple. Yes, that works as well. So some of them are pretty easy like this. Then we do another one. The triangle A has a height of 2.5 centimeters and a base of 1.6. The height and base of the triangle are proportional to the height and base of triangle A. Triangle B's are proportional to A. So we need to find out which one could be the height and base of triangle B. So again, we could either take 2.5 divided by 1.6 or 1.6 divided by 2.5 and figure it out. I decided to do 2.5 divided by 1.6, and when I did that, 2.5 divided by 1.6 gave me a fun number, 1.5625, I believe it was. Then I had to figure out which ones of these came out to be. And when I took 2.75 divided by 1.76, I get 1.5625. So yes, that one works just fine. When I took 9.25, in fact, I'll do this right now. 9.25 divided by 9.16, that one came out to be 1.0098 ... Just a bunch of numbers. That doesn't work. Look at the height on this one. Do you notice how the height on this one is actually smaller than the base? The height is smaller than the base. Well, that's not the case in ours. The height is always bigger than the base. So this one absolutely can't be. I don't even need to look at that one. But you know what I will do is, obviously, because it's that way, I'm just going to put a big X, because just logic tells me that can't be the correct answer. And then finally, 1.25 divided by 1 or 0.8. Let's see, do that on the calculator. And you get 1.5625. Oops, 5. So yes, that one works as well. Hey, guess what I did on this one, guys? You'll appreciate this. It says choose 3 answers. So I took a snapshot of this and I sent it over, and this was a snapshot. Then when I actually did the problem, turns out there was a letter E on this one down below. So there was one more that also worked. So hey, I'll check the one off for letter E that wasn't there. I don't even remember what it was anymore. But anyways, that is how you do it, guys. Have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.